Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to play Zach Bryan on guitar easily. We'll start by focusing on just 3 fundamental chords that unlock a vast number of his popular tunes. You'll also learn a couple of straightforward strumming patterns that perfectly capture his authentic sound. This method is designed for beginners, ensuring you can quickly enjoy playing your favorite songs. Get ready to strum along and make some music. Let's dive into the core of playing Zach Bryan. The G, C, and D chords are your best friends here, forming the backbone of many of his tracks. Practice transitioning smoothly between them. For strumming, try a consistent down-down-up-up-down-up pattern. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm and letting each chord ring out clearly. Don't worry if it feels a bit awkward at first. Consistency is key to building muscle memory. Now, let's put those chords into action with common progressions. A GCDG sequence is incredibly versatile and appears in numerous Zach Bryan songs. Another great one to try is CGDM, which offers a slightly different emotional tone. Remember, consistent practice is crucial. Even just 15 minutes each day can make a huge difference in your finger strength and chord changes. Keep at it, and you'll be amazed by your progress. To take your playing further, consider using a capo. It allows you to play in different keys with the same chord shapes, opening up even more of Zach Bryan's catalog. Also, actively listen to his music, trying to pick out the chord changes and strumming nuances. This ear training is invaluable for any musician. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleaning a breeze. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Keep strumming and enjoying the music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.